I've been gone for too long. Now it's time to bring it back. Yeah, everybody. That's right. It's been like a month since I recorded my last video. It's AP classes, and then plus getting my demo together, and it's just been kind of hectic. But promised y'all I would keep posting these videos, keep singing these songs, taking these requests, and that's what I'm doing. So right now I want to get into a gospel piece. I want to do right now I want to get into Open Up My Heart by Yolanda Adams. This was actually my first song that I ever sang as far as performing in the show that I ever performed. So this is my first song that I performed to. I was about 6 years old, and started the journey. So it goes. Whoa, 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 talk to me. Whoa, alone in the room. Lord, it's just me and you. I feel so lost because I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now what if I was to choose the wrong thing to do? Oh, Lord, I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my mind feels so cloudy. Guide me until I am sure I open up my heart. Oh yes. That's a little bit of it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Request, and keep on doing my thug thizzle shout. All right, Gernie B out.